In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can write a number in standard form when it's given in an incorrect format for standard form. Looking at the example on the left-hand side, we can see that it's being multiplied by a power of 10, which satisfies one of the conditions for being in standard form. However, the number on the left, the 3000, is not a number between 1 and 10. There are a couple of options that we could explore about how we could solve this problem. The first is to write the number 3000 in standard form, which would be 3 times 10 to the power 3, and then we multiply it by 10 squared. Using laws of indices, if I've got 10 cubed times by 10 squared, then this could be simplified to 3 times 10 to the power of 5. The other alternative is to convert 3000 times 10 squared into an ordinary number and then convert it all into standard form. Well, 3000 times by 10 squared would be the same as 3000 times by 100. This would then give me 300,000. Now, writing it as a number between 1 and 10, I get 3, and timesing it by a power of 10 to get me 300,000, it will be times 10 to the power 5. So I get exactly the same answer through two different techniques. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So I'm going to use the first technique in order to answer the question 0.44 times 10 to the power negative 1. First of all, writing the first part of this number in standard form would be 4.4 times 10 to the power negative 1. Now adding on the last part of the problem, which was times 10 to the power negative 1, and remembering that when I have two terms being multiplied together and the same base number, I add their indices, the answer will be 4.4 times 10 to the power of negative 1 add negative 1 is negative 2. This number has now been written in the correct format for standard form.